Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on here and ask you guys to comment below the recipes you would like to see for the Thanksgiving edition 2018. I'm starting these recipes in 1 week and I want you guys' input versus me just throwing up whatever. So if you have a specific dish that you would like to see my take and version of it, please comment below. Also, I'm going to be putting what I already made over the last couple years down below so you guys can check those out. Desserts, please, especially desserts, please comment those below. You guys know I don't bake, but this is the one exception I make for the holidays where I put some effort in some desserts and I post them. However, I cannot eat those desserts because of my health and also because I'm trying to drop a couple pounds. So if you are in the Houston, Texas area and you would like to pick up a pie, cake, dessert, whatever it is that I'm gonna make, they are starting at $25. I'm not making extra pies. I'm not gonna be the pie lady selling pies in Houston. That's not who I am. First come, first serve. When I make these pies, cakes, desserts on my channel, they're going to be made in like portable, aluminum pans and stuff. So if you're in Houston, Texas, and you want whatever dessert I make, you can pick it up or I can meet you somewhere. And they're starting at $25. I absolutely won't be coming by myself. And if I am coming by myself, I will be prepared. So don't be stupid. What else I wanted to say? Yeah, so help me out, guys. Well, not help me out. I really want to make you guys happy this go around with my holiday recipes that start in 1 week. So comment below and let me know what you think. And I'm going to have that up and going. I won't have any more videos out after today until Sunday. After Sunday, that's it until the holiday edition starts. I will be going live Saturday night, so I'm probably going to talk about that some more. I won't be live tomorrow night. Yeah, I won't be live tomorrow night, but I'll be live Saturday night. We have a lot to catch up on. And yeah, comment below. Let me know what recipes you guys really want to see. Okay, guys.